Hello and Jumrip Sur to everyone. Welcome to a healthy Khmer cooking.
What are we going to cook today?
Today we are gonna make tofu plear.
What do we need to do it?
First we need to know all the ingredients first. So it have lemongrass, peanuts, tofu, dry black mushroom, and fish minced herb, red onion, palm sugar, sauce, lemon juice, garlic, and chilies, and soy sauce.
What do we need to do first?
First, we need to dry black mushroom. Fry it until it gets fragrant. And now we finished cooked mushroom. We have to serve it. Ooh. Next, we need to pound the lemongrass. Can you pass me garlic and chilies?
Sure.
Put it.
Chili?
Yep. After pounding, we need to serve into the bowl. And now we have to mix all these ingredients. Tofu. And add mushroom. And
Beans?
yeah, mix all together. And now we are finished mixing this. We have to add soy sauce more. Put it all more. And lemon juice. Salt a little bit. And palm sugar half. After mixing this well, we have to serve into the flat. Control. For this chili, for optional. And now it's already. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can make this food at home, and goodbye and chum riep lia.